Hi, thank you for joining me. Today we are going to go over the letter U and the letter V. And the first one is, and these are religious signs, by the way, in the letter U and V. The first one is unite, and it's your pointer finger connected, and you either unite with God, unite with each other, either way. No matter what kind of unite you're talking about, it's connection. And usher, like the ushers in church or ushering anywhere, excuse me, sorry, it's the letter U and then usher. Kind of like you're pushing it, but you're like ushering. And vengeance, but this sign for vengeance is going to be more like revenge, which is what vengeance means, but we're not going to do the sign with like a V or anything. It's, you curl your pointer fingers and use like a hook. Your vengeance is how the sign is. And the next one is a verse, like a verse in a Bible and so forth. And it's the letter S and out. So like scripture and reading. Scripture reading. And the next one is vicarious, with a V, vicarious, or indirect is another example of it. And it's like going around, indirect is how the sign is for that. So whether it's vicarious, indirect, or any other description of the same word, it's like you're going around, you're indirect. And the next word is vile, and it's like your words, speech, and then like that, it's vile. Word, vile. And then vision, like you see vision. There's vision, like the prophecy vision, but then there's vision to see. And it's the letter V and out, but under your hand and out. And that's it. I also want to let you know that I'm posting, for right now, this will go on for a little while, I'm posting some information about the deaf and their culture on the channel. And I'm also posting some quizzes just for fun, nothing you have to know. It's just informative type of stuff. I just figured it would help give some knowledge to what you're also learning to sign as well, just so you have more of a concept of how the deaf world works. So anyway, just want to let you know. Thank you.